I am on a quest to return to my wooden craft. These past 2 days, I've gone almost non-stop, but I love it. Welcome to The Reset, my 33-day series about resetting my life, where I will be rebuilding my old wooden pen business, and every day we go together on some side quest. Welcome to Day 3.
Come here, another new friend.
Today, Day 3 is simple. I need to assemble one pen and take a pictures for website, and then after we go for a side quest. Enjoy!
This one is a stabilized maple burl. It's quite a lot of work to make this, but it's worth it. Isn't it a piece of art? Maple burl. Stabilized in the cactus juice. You have a yellow meranti, olive and maple burl.
Today's adventure takes us to the magical Hermitage of Braid in Edinburgh, a hidden Victorian sanctuary in the city. Built in 1785 as a private estate, the Hermitage of Braid was designed as a romantic retreat, complete with the artificial caves and winding pathways. The property was gifted to Edinburgh in 1938 by the last private owner, ensuring this Victorian gem would be preserved for future generations. During the Victorian era, it served as an escape from the industrial city, where wealthy families would come to experience wilderness within the Edinburgh's boundaries. After exploring this beautiful place, I went for a ride to an old quarry, spot my favorite animals, horses, and then climb up Blackford Hill on my one wheel. Trust me, the views are absolutely amazing. hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, share it with your friends or binge watch my previous videos from the Reset series. Thank you.